Okay, so hello everybody, ItsMCB here, and welcome back to another live stream. Yes, we are here on the server. Let me actually go to the game section here. And yes, so I'm on the server. It's going to be pretty awesome. So yes, I've had a weird day, I'll be honest. And what made it weird is that my sleep schedule is kind of out of whack. Because, last night, as you know, Friday, I did a whole stream, on the server, and it wasn't like a typical stream that was like, an hour and a half, to 2 hours. It was like, like a 3-hour stream or something. And then after that, I continued to talk with, different friends who I was talking with on stream, and, it was a lot of fun. But, yeah, it just kind of messed up my sleep schedule. So that's gonna be fun. However, when I woke up this morning, I'm like, all right, cool. So you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna work on Libre Galaxy and on the plugins on the server. So that's exactly what I did. I have been working on the create server and improving it. So I want to show off those changes. But before I get into that, I want to welcome you all to the stream. It is Saturday, lovely day. But yeah, so here are the changes that I want to show off. And yo, what is going on, Bloomy? Welcome to the stream. I am on Libre Galaxy, and I should actually remember to do that. IP play.libregalaxy.org. Pin message. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So yes, welcome to the stream. We are playing on Libre Galaxy today, and I will be going over some of the fun changes that I've been working on. Yo, Trains, he's here. I want to get the watch page for Trains. Boop. You can click it, right? Yep, there you go, perfect. I'm telling you guys, Clever Text is my chat plugin that I've made, and like it sometimes breaks, but luckily it works. I mean, it mainly breaks when it has multiple regex detections. I see Vessi has made some friends. I don't understand how. Like, I don't understand how these have gotten in here. So yeah, I'm really not sure how these like zombie horses got here. It's not even like outside here. Like, it must have been somebody. I just don't know what they did. But yeah, so Vessi has some friends. Vessi is the cow, for those who don't know. But yeah, so probably just pushing them from somewhere else or writing them. That would be actually pretty smart if somebody... Well, actually, how could you write it from your thing? Because there was no grass connecting it. But yeah, I could see how somebody could write it across, maybe. Because I don't know if that's really protected. But man, that's weird. I feel like this is Wordux. Is Wordux watching? If you're watching, Wordux, fess up. Did you do this? Yeah, that's true. They need saddles too. So I don't know. That's weird. Wordux would never sesame. I'm pretty sure it's a Wordux, says a Bloomy. Yeah, so like I said, or for those who are just joining the stream, welcome, welcome, welcome. I have been spending the entire, not the entire, but most of the day working on this server. Even though I haven't been on it, I've been working on it because I've been working on the Galaxy system. So I want to show off these pretty good changes that I've made. So the first one is actually only for staff. And right now the only staff member I really have on the server is myself and Riley. So this is only for us. And by the way, I have a to-do list. I'm not going to show the to-do list, but I do have a to-do list of things people want added to the server, or like different bugs, glitches, whatever it might be. I have that there, and one of the things people want is a TPA. I have not added that yet, but I'm thinking about it just because it's just I want to think about how I could implement it. Like, I know how I could, I just don't know if it's the best way of doing it. So I'll be thinking about that. And also if a TPA is even really needed, like really, I don't know. But yeah, so first thing for staff is that we have TP2, so TP2 trains, and then TP here, trains. And again, this is only for staff, but I feel like this should be mentioned because people were thinking that we didn't have a teleport command, and I don't know how I broke vanilla, but I did. But now we have it again because I coded it. So, I mean, it's not a hard thing to code at all, but like, man, that was weird. But anyways, so yeah, Change is like, what? Why was I teleported? What is this madness? Yeah, I don't know. Is a TPA command that hard? No, not necessarily. Like the way I would implement it is like this, but like the way I'm about to tell you is like, I don't know if it's the best way of implementing it. So yeah, but here's how I want to implement it. But if you could think of a better way, let me know. Okay, so think about a TPA command. TPA rex text 3000, for example. Okay, so I would, if somebody did that command, I would store in a hash map the requester and the request E, okay? So the requester and the request E, okay? So then I would need to do TPA accept, or TPA accept, and that would then check in that hash map, okay, who is in the hash map and who's TPA requesting, and then based upon whoever that is, it will, or actually not even whoever it is, just based upon like the values it finds, because it could be multiple players, we don't know, then accept all of them at once. But that's the problem. What if you don't want to accept all of them? So then you would add a sub command where it'd be TPA accept, and then let's see, rex text 3000, so it'd only accept rex text, for example. So again, not a hard thing to do. It's just sort of like, is that really the best way I could do it? I think so, but I just don't know if it's needed just because, like, you already have the planet teleport command. Like, what else do you need? And also because if people are going to be building, like, particular things in worlds, I don't want TPA to be used as something that could be, like, a cheat, you know? Like, I don't want people to cheat with it. So I'll have to think about that, and so that's why I haven't really worked on it. Bloomy says the TPA command is needed because Soccer doesn't know about planet info and is not able to tell me what planet he is on and sends me coordinates of planet instead. Oh, that has been fixed actually. So check this out. Do you see like over here in my action bar, whenever you enter a planet, like an actual planet, it will say entering console or entering and it'll have by. So that by line tells you who it's by. So then you could do planet by and then Jenkins boy 2. I don't know why the Jenkins boy 2. Jenkins boys 2. There you go. Okay. Is it possible to activate spectator for players? Yes, actually. So as of right now, I do not want players to be able to access spectator mode because that could be used for stalking, harassment, whatever. However, my compromise to this is that in the future, I'm going to let people set the game mode of visitors. And again, a visitor is somebody who's not trusted on your planet. That is a visitor. So I will allow visitors to be like, you can set their game mode, okay? And with that, you could set it to spectator, theoretically. Because in that sense, you are then consenting to be able to have people stalk you in that world. So, yeah, so technically that would be the only way I would add anything like spectator related. And again, it's just because I don't want people stalking each other, because I have seen that happen. So, yeah. But yes, so things in the stream I want to show people. There's so many things. So we already know about this awesome title or action bar that's here. Ashley says, why is $7 so hard to get? Jeez Louise. I don't know. Again, I would say probably get the full version of Minecraft. I do remember you're talking about Minecraft before. At least I think you were talking about maybe a different version of Minecraft, like a game like Minecraft. Let's see. Train says, maybe make it so spectator mode is accessible to trusted players in the planet. Ooh, maybe. Again, it's just like at this point, I've actually added some code to where I could actually check the game mode of players. The action bar just showed null, 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 null. Yeah, that's because WordDux has added a bunch of invalid players. That's also something I fixed to where you can no longer add invalid players. But because he added the invalid players before I added that code check, I have to manually go into the data and remove those invalid UUIDs. So just so you know, that's why it shows up as null, because WordDux has added a bunch of null players like that don't exist. But I can fix that. Pretty simple. Yeah, it's like with this, I saw his plot, and that came to my attention. So that's actually why I actually fixed the validation of users. So basically now, if you're gonna trust a player with Planet Trust, that player has to have joined the server at least once. And I think that's a good way of doing it. So if they have joined at least once, then you can add them and trust them. But yeah, there's quite a few things I've added, so I need to remember all of them. But here are a few things that like people have like really like asked for, or I've noticed as like problems. And I want to preface this by saying that I want to add, I'm thinking about one thing here. So there are annoyances, and I was thinking about doing a catch-all flag to disable annoyances. Annoyances being people shooting off arrows, annoyances being people ender pearling, annoyances being people using fire rockets or firework rockets, like all that type of stuff. And it is what it is. I realize though that like people might want more fine-grained control, so I think I'm going to be adding individual flags for like ender pearl, chorus fruit, like all those things. Okay, so just so people know, that is something I'm going to be adding. However, I know that like again, especially in the many streams I've done, people have been really annoying. Not really annoying, but like there have been people who have been annoying, and people might not want like people might not want others on their plots. So here's one really, really important thing I've added. You can do planet, allow visitors, false. What this will do is it will not let anyone enter your planet who is not on your trusted list. So again, that is planet, allow dash visitors, false. So then nobody can go into your planet, except if they are trusted or they're a staff member, okay? So I really hope this is going to be helpful for people, because I know some of us like to go into planets and do a bit of trolling, and it is what it is. Some people don't mind it, but some people really do mind it. So this is basically a really useful way to block people from your world. At some point, I'm going to add more fine-grained control into that, where like you can block specific players only, but that's going to be for the future. I wasn't able to add that tonight. Because I was not able to figure out how the world guard sets data type thingy, like I could not get that to work in the way I wanted to, so I need to investigate that. But this simple allow deny flag works perfectly. You can go above the planet and drop items into it. Okay. Okay, well, I'm not sure how I should address that, because these planets, they are like set by the Minecraft bounds. I think in theory I could set it to be like all the way up and all the way down, so that could work. So I don't know how I want to address that. If like an item enters the region, then delete it, or like what I could do with that. So I'll think about it. But yeah, that's something I'll see. You can drop items into the planet. Let me add that. So let's see. Players can drop items into planet by going above the region. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. And welcome Bloomy. Oh my gosh, it's Bloomy. He's got his whole winter vest. I've got mine. Let's see, does Bloomy have a planet? Planet by... And I don't know why this stopped working, the autocomplete for this. Let's see, call me Bloomy. Oh, he does. What's going on here? Oh, yes, another thing I want to show off. Okay, this is relevant. So, I've now added it so you can let visitors use switches. And I really want people to like make adventure maps in the future. I think that'd be really cool. Or like do mini games or whatever it might be. And if they need to like open doors, press buttons, like any stuff like that, they can do it. And here's how you do it. It is planet use true. Okay. Allow players to use switches like doors, buttons, etc. And this will not let them use chests. So like chests and like dispensers and whatever, those do not count in this. So planet use, and that will let those visitors do it. So it's really, really cool. Another thing, okay, I think that was just it. So yeah, planet allow visitors is new, and use is new. So both of those things are new subcommands, and I really hope people will find them useful. And then of course, now when you enter the planet, you have the little action bar thing, and is there anything else I added? I don't think so. I think those are the main things I added for this. So there you go. I closed my like IDE, so let's see. I think those are the latest changes. Oh yeah. Oh, also head. Head username. People were asking how to get heads. Head username. Whee! This is fun. Yeah, head username is something that works and is pretty fun. So it works like this. You can do head, get your own head. Head, it's Atomicos, and then you get another player's head. So boop, 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 boop. It's kind of silly. A. And I did add validation, kind of. So like head. Oh, never mind. That will work. That is a player. How is that a player? Okay, there we go. And if it's an invalid head, it'll just be like the default. So it is what it is. Terrifying. Whee! Oh my gosh. The satisfaction of like just flying off of a surface with a really like high fly speed stick is crazy. Or not fly speed, walk speed. Now at some point I am thinking of doing like a PvP flag. So like I don't know what people could do with that, but yeah, like go wild, you know? Make what you want to make, of course. But mini games and stuff like that are just me with suggestions. And then maybe I'll add a like menu where you can get heads from, like predefined like heads with like data on them. So like, oh my gosh, is this like Frozen Rowan? Hell's head. Oh, it's not Rowan. Okay, I thought it was like heads with textures and stuff like that, like base 64 textures that are often seen on other servers. So yeah, I think we got a good thing going, y'all. I think we have a good thing going. But yeah, so I need to fix this with Word docs. So I think I'm gonna go in the data of the server, not sharing my screen. Okay, I'm not. That's good. I'm gonna go into CD Minecraft, and I'm gonna go to create. Okay. CD. Why am I able to hit people? I am in survival. Can you PvP people? Why can you abuse me, but I can't abuse you? What is this? That's random. No, if I'm in survival, a back command is certainly something I need to add. Planet by call me Bloomy. I gotta fix that. Why is that? It's so annoying. It doesn't do that. That's like so random. Because I don't know what would be different about PvP. Wait, is trains in creative mode? And you can hit him in creative? I can't tell. Why is he getting hurt? This doesn't make any sense. I'm confused. What is going on? I am out of hunger. Oh. Well, have fun with that. You can always do GMC, y'all. Don't forget. Oh my gosh. There are shortcuts? Yeah. GMS for survival, GMC for creative, GMA for adventure, and GMSP for spectator. Staff only for GMSP. Okay, there you go. Trains is the real nerd, says Gustavo. Atomicos copied him. I think so. And by the way, trains, you could do planet set spawn. So it doesn't have to be like all glitchy. Emptystacker.net is not working. What is that? A command website? Ooh. Fair enough. Okay, I do want to check out like what's going on with these planets here. Atomicos, is he in the stream? I don't think he is. Atomicos. When are you gonna update your build? I think he might have actually. There's this room. Okay, so he did like a bit of an update with it. It's like the back rooms or something like that, where it just keeps going. Interesting. And then we have Semi's plot here. Gigacool is a close second. Who is Gigacool? I don't know who that is. Look up for Robux, look down for V-Bucks. Robux, V-Bucks. Oh, why has Semi put an Among Us dumpy here? Why is this here? Oh, goodness. And then what are these horses doing, bro? That is kind of wild. Then what's this? Block of coal. Interesting. My nose is like really itchy. Let's see. Faz is continuing to build ships. Pretty cool. What are these bears? Oh. Well, trains, don't forget, if you don't want people in your thing, instead of using barrier, how'd you get it to be nether here? How did you do that? Set biome? Oh, world edit. That's cool. I actually didn't know that. Maybe I did, I just forgot. Be like, items like barriers, I want people to totally have it. Because people deserve to have items that are not, like, too crazy. And, like, these lighting items, like, I do not mind that people have them. Oh, that was a crazy thing. Okay. How were you able to kill me in creative mode? How? Just how? I don't understand how that works. Heal 255 potion. But how? Why would a healing potion kill you? Why is that funny? Health. And then you just die. Oh, jeez. A furious cocktail. True. That is the only problem, though. Like, I don't want people abusing each other or things like this. But I think it should be okay, because people can now block each other from it. Milk bucket. Alright. Oh. I'm gonna ask for that milk bucket now. Oh, I don't feel good. Yeah, like, so these items, like the different light levels and barriers, all this, not all this stuff, but like the things that actually make sense. Oh. Things that actually like make sense to have, people can totally have. And I'm eventually going to add a command to where you can grab such items from a GUI. But for now, we're chilling. So, yeah, so that's Train's plot. He's updating it, of course, adding more and more items every day. And I don't know what this is. Trains, what is this? This is like a little dungeon. Why the heck do you need 0 light? I don't know. A hallway? Oh, true. I mean, if Riley's gonna build FNAF, then, you know. This is so weird, just seeing water and then the nether red around. Super horse. What is so super about this horse? What in the world is going on? Glowing potion? It cannot die. Okay, hold up. Entity, select, target. Any select target, entity, remove. There you go. Unkillable, you say? Not with my command. Is almost unkillable. Yeah, you gotta update the branding. Actually, let's see. Via OP group admin permission set via version dot star true via version list below 1.19 We're all on 1.19, so we're good. I don't think many people are going to join below 1.19, even though you could. I think with this server, honestly, I'm not blocking any versions. So I think you could join the server with like 1.8 or something. Like, it's genuinely insane. Like, the server would look so bad, but like if you want to do that, it's your choice. I don't care. The resource pack won't work. Actually, that might be a reason what I would care. If I added a resource pack to this server, then I think I might restrict the versions a bit more. What in the world? See, that's the only thing that I'm concerned about, is like players adding like really cursed items into these planets. I don't think it's a problem, but like, you know, it could be a problem for people who don't know how to deal with it, you know. I played the server on 1.7. That's actually impossible because there isn't via rewind or via there's via version, via backward, yeah, via rewind. There is no via rewind on here, so you can't. You can only spawn skeleton horses and minecarts. Interesting. Oh, soccer. Is soccer on the server? Oh my gosh, I wish he's on, because he made a minigame. I want to play his minigame. I don't know how it works. Game offline, update in progress. Like, I don't get what this is, but it seems really complicated. Like, look at this. What in the world? How did you do this, soccer? And then there's just a troll face. And then a bunch of drip leaves for some reason. Soccer made that overcomplicated. How? You can make it way simpler. I don't even know what he's trying to do. And then, of course, Jenkins Boy added a picture of his dog. That's not a cat. It is a dog. I didn't realize that at first, but it is a dog. So that's kind of funny. And then over here is Bloomy's planet. Again, I'm not sure what he's working on here. Seems like some redstone stuff. Now entering hell, aka Wordux plot. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I gotta go and do that. So I'm gonna go and cd into plugins, world guard, edit the cd into worlds, cd into galaxies, and then we're gonna nano config. Why not? Never mind, that's not the right file. It is regions. There we go. Okay. Now I'll need to do some manual edits. I'm looking for some cursed things here. Oh boy, look at this. Oh boy, look at this. How many UUIDs did Wordux add? What in the world? I know you guys can't see this right now. It's probably for the best. You wouldn't want to see it. So, alright, I'm just going to have my thing on the delete key for a little bit, because that is simply how it is. But I want to make sure that it doesn't like override any content. So like, if people are making edits to your planet, don't do it, just because I think I'm going to have to override. I am going to override it when I edit this file. Goodness, this is going to take forever. Is there like a way to like delete the line? That's why I miss Vim. But Vim isn't on the Docker container. I just have not, it's just not on there, and I haven't made my own version, so. Oh my goodness. There are just so many random UIDs here because Wordux was just like adding different usernames, and like I guess the server, the way like I was using the code, it just came up with a random UID. So it's kind of strange. But there you go. It is what it is, as they say. Have we been streaming for half an hour? We have. How did that go by? No, like 40 minutes. Almost 40 minutes we've been streaming. It felt like 10. What? That's crazy. Okay. I'm gonna make a copy of the config, because if I actually put it, if I mess up the config, like when I'm editing this, by the way, like everything breaks, everything. So I'm gonna make a backup before I edit it, because that would be a good idea. That would be a good idea. Create plugins. Boop, 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 boop. And then this regions file. Make a copy. Okay, good. You want to defeat the Ender Dragon? What? What do you mean? Have you spawned the Ender Dragon? TP2. Bloomy. Oh, now I see what you mean. Well, yeah, you can't actually go in, because I disabled the end of the nether. What is this? Oh, jigsaw block. I thought it looked like the imposter, like an Among Us character. Are we supposed to beat the game? That's up for you to figure out. So, good luck. Build the coolest build. That's true. Now, like I said, I want to see people make adventure maps, actually. Like, now that I've added it so people can use like specific switches and stuff like that, I really want to see people like make a full-on like adventure map, or mini adventure map, nothing too big. Or like puzzles, like something like that. I think it'd be really cool. Now, I don't know if I have redstone enabled. I don't know. Is it? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But I know if people were making puzzles and stuff, I would actually enable redstone, because that is cool. Very, very cool. Only pistons are disabled. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, I'll allow pistons. For those cool map making purposes. The soccer dimension. I think this is... Oh yeah, I forgot that's his head. And of course you can't go in, because the nether is also disabled. So, there you go. That is cursed, though. Wait, how do you get one of these? Can somebody give me an end portal frame? And a nether portal frame? No, the thing is, I can't do that. Because the nether and the end are disabled, like completely, like their world files do not exist. Oh, set nether portal and end portal. I see. Yeah, execute in would not work because the world has to be loaded for that. So. Creative thinking. I'll admit that. But yes, I'm glowing. How do I stop glowing? Milk, I think. There we go. But then I could also just glow again. Hack into the server, enable dimensions, and beat the game. True. If you can hack into my server to enable the nether and the end, I will let you beat the Ender Dragon. So there you go. That's my promise. Although I don't think you can. Because who really can? That would not work because I have it set So it uses a particular generator, so no. Impossible. Impossible. But yeah, so I want to just check out like other things too. So this is WordDocs thing. Oh yeah, I was trying to fix this. So do y'all think I can't even edit all this? I'm not even gonna edit all this. I should have been sleeping 1.5 hours ago. Alright, thanks Bloomy. Peace, peace. Yeah, let's see. So this is WordDocs plot. And what did he... Hell Hub. What in the world? And of course Honey by Dr. Mobzilla. And I don't know if he's edited this anymore. But there's cursed things here. Except for this nice build. And he's actually... Oh god, I hate this Honey. He's actually like... listened to my suggestion when it comes to adding like a dome. So that's pretty cool. So slowly but surely, the Honey world is coming together. FranRat17. Yo, Franny Isco, welcome, welcome. Oh yeah, actually, this didn't work mainly because of the invincibility. Like, people don't have invincibility, so I could actually add that as a flag if people want me to do that. He put his Minecraft skins texture in his planet. Oh, is that what this is? Because I was so confused at like what this could possibly be. But I guess if like you go far away enough and you squint a little bit, you can kind of see it. Kind of. Barely. But there you go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I feel bad that Fireboy couldn't like do anything with this. Oh, Gigacole, welcome, welcome. Okay, who is Gigacole, though? Because I feel like WordDocs knows him, or like the council, you know, people from South Hollow, like Semi and other people. They seem to know who this is. Like, who are they friends with? Because I thought it was a random player, but I don't think so. So, there you go. And then Braden Vlogs. Again, does anybody know what this is? Because I don't know what this is. It's cool, but like, I don't know. And then Green Wolf building a maze. So that's pretty cool. Work in progress, of course. Frenny Isco, here we go. I don't know what this is. There needs to be a sign to describe what I'm looking at here. And I like the use of the moss. That is pretty cool. And then he just built a wall. And then here's John's plot. I wonder if John's going to come on again at some point. He built a car, he built a heart, he built Iron Man. An Iron Man who's fallen down. And then X or Y, just... I don't know what this is. Besides water, lava, and a bunch of just water and lava and reactions created this. This monstrosity. And then Greenfield hasn't done anything with his world. And that's the last one. So let's see. RG info. How many planets are we at right now? We were at 20 planets. We've had 20 people join the server and make planets. That is pretty good. Could be better, but pretty good. So, oh, here we go. What's up? What's up? He's trying to throw the potions, but he can't, because that's one of the new options from last time, that you can't throw potions if you disable it. So, what's good? Yep. Alright, so... Oh, yeah, this is actually me working on, like, world edit commands. So, I want to show off what that looks like. gonna change my fly speed a little bit. Make it 2. Or actually, no, 3. 5. Okay, there we go. So, why this is like this is because I found some like world edit commands. I don't exactly know how they work, but maybe I can figure it out if I like play with them. So let me scroll. Not leaking everything in existence. Nope, that's good. This is a rotated torus. That's actually really cool. Yeah, so for those who don't know, with World Edit, you can do stuff like that. That is really cool. .4. What if I made this 0.9? What would that do? And then 0.1. Oh, so it's like that's the rotation. Undo, undo. Okay, cool. Or sort of the rotation. Let's see, rotate 1. What if it was 0.1? And then, oh, 0.1, okay. That's like, what axis is this? I don't know how to, whichever axis, up, down. Donut world, oh my gosh, so true. Wait, I wanna make it 0. So then it's like a completely flat donut. I have made a donut in Minecraft. Oh, that is cool. Like, I wonder what I could put in something like this. Anyways, let's undo that. Now I want to try editing. Well, actually, I want to test something out here. So I think the size scales based upon like the area, or maybe not. No, it does not scale. Nope, it does not scale. 20 minus. Okay, let's make this. Watch it before I start editing again. Let's select this really big region. Okay. You have this one. And then what's going on? Oh, okay. And then I'm going to make this like 80. So what would that do? 0 blocks have been created. Okay. I'm going to make this 10. What does that do? Oh, it just makes it like a smaller one or something. Ooh. That, okay, so that like adjusts the size. So like I can make this like 100 and it'd be pretty big. No, I cannot make it 100. 90? No. 81. No. Then suddenly 80. Trains. Okay, let's see. Planet. Allow visitors. False. Although obviously that doesn't really work for this one. Just because they get sent to spawn, and like that doesn't like work because this is like the spawn thing. But it is really funny just to see. I'm gonna make a city. Yo, that's gonna be awesome. That is pretty awesome. Yeah, let me know like when you have like a building built. I want to check it out. And what is this hole here? Okay. So let's once again select a good area. I just don't want to include parkour in case. There we go. Okay. Oh, 80 doesn't do it. 70. Oh. I just don't get this math, by the way. Like, if anybody understands this math, you are big-brained. Because I do not. I'm trying to figure it out. I mean, what is this? Okay. And then, let's see. 50. Well, you see, math creates a donut. Okay, it actually is sort of the size of it. Kind of. Again, I don't have the math term for this. So, like, I'm just going to say it's the size. Oh, but that is just cool. Make a Homer donut. Maybe I will. That is just a big boy. So I'm gonna actually make this be pink wool to actually make it like more like a donut. Then this has to be smaller. If it was a portal, that would be actually kind of crazy. Like, people are gonna, like, the thing is though, people are gonna spawn here and they're gonna be like, oh, okay, what is that? So actually, let's see if I can make it like look down a little bit. I think I can. Is it this one? This parameter? No, that rotates it on like a x-axis, is it? X-axis? Like, I don't know about... I know 2D, I don't know 3D. So, whatever, okay. I'm gonna go 8 here, and then let's do... 0.1. That gets cut off. Go inside the donut. Okay. Making it smaller. And make this like 3. Five. Wait. Let's do... -1. Huh? There we go. That kind of works. Just like this really ominous donut hole that just kind of... it just kind of exists. Okay, and actually I want to make this brown wool, and then we'll add like other stuff on top. There we go. Oh my gosh, it is a chocolate donut. Oh my gosh. It is a chocolate donut. I'm gonna need a little help eating this one, guys. This is a big donut. And then I can use world edit, like... Again, I'm not, like, the best at world edit. No! I'm not the best at world edit. So, I don't know. Let's see, so... How do you do this? It's like not matte. Is it mask? And then pink wool. Or no, brush. Set. Sphere. Pink. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Pink wool. That's not it. Not set. I want to do mask. Set mask. Masking brown wool. So we're going to mask brown wool. Okay, cool. There we go! Oh my god, I'm doing world edit, guys. I'm doing world edit. Although I didn't undo the other stuff. Oops. There we go. Okay, I think all the other stuff from before is gone. Okay, so Homer donut. I need to get a picture of it. Here. Homer donut. See, yeah, it is basically So yeah, it's basically like one side has... Well, it's like weird because it's all... Yeah. Yes, it's basically going to be like on this side. Actually, maybe not. Maybe not brown. Instead of brown wool, I'm going to make it like white terracotta, actually. White terracotta. I think that works a bit more. Yeah, that looks a bit more like dough. Oh, then I gotta update my mask. Mask. And then white terracotta. Yum. Okay. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Light gray terracotta? Maybe. Let's see. Light. That would make it look a bit more stale, I think. I might change it a bit later. But I can't believe this. Look at this. We got a donut. It's a very messy donut. Like, whoever made this donut, they were just going crazy with the stuff. Oh, I love this, though. It is literally just like a Homer donut. And then... got some on the outside. That's okay. Okay. So then sprinkles. So then I need, like, yellow... I'll make it wool. I think we'll make it wool. And then, like, green. And then red. You know, those are basically the colors of, like, sprinkles. It's like, boop. That's red, red wool. Here we go. And fly speed 1, so it's not, like, too messy. I'm making them, like, 3D for everybody who is confused. I don't know if this is really going to look like a donut by the end. Like, just because... I feel like I need more. Like, I need a lot more, obviously. I mean, it's a donut. There are many, many, many sprinkles on donuts. At least any good donut has many, many sprinkles. How is it looking so far? This is kind of looking worse. I don't know why. I think we just need more sprinkles. That's what's gonna get it. More sprinkles. It'll be a 10. It will be. Or maybe just single blocks are like the W here. Maybe. Yep, through should work. Everybody should have those commands, hopefully. This looks a little strange. Although you can kind of see it though. You actually can kind of see it. I'm telling you guys, more sprinkles. It makes it real. I actually kind of like this. Anyone want to join my country I just made? Oh my gosh. That would be kind of funny. I gotta really add a lot of sprinkles in the middle, I think. That's gonna really sell people that this is a donut. It very much so is a donut. Do not question the donutness of this donut. Okay, let's see. That states this is a donut. Okay, I'm gonna make it on the donut. And it is going to say based Homer donut. Well, that's the way people, okay. There's donut and there's donut. Like Dunkin' Donuts way of spelling it. And I think it's just, I don't know, like, is it grammatically correct the way Dunkin' Donuts spells it? I guess so. Oh my gosh. Man, this is such a weird build. Just like, imagine somebody logging into the server for the first time. They don't know if they want to play on here or not. They're just like, oh, okay, welcome. You know, it is boogers. No, no. But like, it kind of does look that way. Or like, just, it doesn't look right. It really doesn't look right. I think I need to go back to the drawing board for this one. Yeah. He doesn't look right. The sprinkles are too long. Yeah. Alright, pause one. Sorry to say this donut is going to be destroyed. Red, blue, and white. Oh. Destroyed. The donut is no more. There were other things to try too. Like there's a whole cool thing. But it's all like mathy and stuff. And I don't know about that. It's a lot. Quite a lot. What in the world? Actually, I should be adding more things to this. I'm very impressed. I kind of figured out how to use the mask feature and stuff. I've never actually done that. Make spawn like a cool castle. Actually, I'll try that. Reminds me of the TNT run. If you guys know on South Hollow, there is a TNT run that is like a castle or map. So I made that one. Okay, let's try it. Here before South Hollow. Okay, I think cobblestone would look pretty good. There's like a wall, but I have to design the walls. What do you mean they disrespect you? Oh. Wait, who was doing that? I could add some like moss in it. Like, boom, boom. There you go. Look at that. Amazing. I kind of like this. Remove the middle slab. I just think this doesn't look very good when it's like, I don't know. Like, just like that. Like, it's missing something. I don't know what. That's wrong. Make every other block cobblestone. Okay. How would that look? Actually, a little bit better. A little bit better. Whoa, that's a crazy stick. Normal stone, maybe. OMG, he's actually playing Minecraft. It's so true, Riley. Okay, let's see. So, maybe some normal stone. Let's see. I'm just gonna use world edit, to be honest. Replace 10%. Can I do that? Stone. That is not what I meant to do. Replace cobblestone. 10% net. Okay. 90% cobblestone. Sure. I don't know about this one. Okay. But I do, well, maybe... I'm gonna go into this. Okay. See, I don't know what I should do with this. Like, I like the castle idea. I just don't think this looks like the best. Actually, maybe if it was on the outside. Let's try this on the outside. South Hollow spawn. Doesn't it have a castle? What? Maybe it's... I know it had it in the past, but like not right now. Certainly not right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. This will be a tower. And then like inside the castle, people can like run across it. That could be cool. OMG, it's Dan TDM. And wouldn't that be funny if you could get some like YouTubers on the server? Like, okay, if any YouTuber could join the server, who do you think who should it be if anyone could join the server? Like, I'm thinking Mumbo Jumbo, but I don't know. Like, we're not talking about anything realistic. Oh my gosh, Soccer's here. Soccer, if you're watching the stream, I don't know if he knows I'm streaming. I gotta grab a link for him. I like Mumbo and all, but I prefer Grian. Or Grian. Interesting. Yeah, I kind of forgot about Grian. But he's pretty cool too. This is a pretty hefty wall. I'm not sure how like tall I want this. Probably more tall. Yeah. How about that? Like taller though. There we go. That should be good. Then set cobblestone. I could speed this up by doing this. Here we go. There we go. And then do this. Oh. I actually don't think that helped. Oops, that is not what I'm doing. Ah, wrong thing. Advertisement. There we go. Okay. Ban. I've got to ban myself from the server now because I advertised. I'm so sorry. I didn't know it would come to this. That's actually a pretty good wall length. Like this or that. Honestly, like that almost would be good. Yo, War Ducks, welcome. How do I join about the game? Oh, like, okay, which version of Minecraft, though, of course? Because this is only for Minecraft Java Edition. Minecraft Java. Okay, a wall that big, and then the tower goes even higher. Maybe. Planet by Dream? How? How? How did you do that? Wait, how does that work? Oh, it's because we added Dream as a player, that's why. Yeah, I have that one, but I don't know how to join your server. Oh, okay, so, like, open Minecraft. I'll show you how to do it. And I actually have a little page on my website just that kind of goes over it too. I'll put that in the chat in case it helps you. So let me go to LibreGalaxy.org. Boop. Okay. So I'm showing off my display here. So this is the website. In case you find it useful, let me know. But the big thing here is how to play. So like you launch Minecraft Java Edition and press the multiplayer button. So I'll walk you through it. So here's what you do. So like once you're at this screen, Minecraft Java Edition, you click on the multiplayer button. Then in the guide it says click on Add Server. And the Add Server button is like down here. So Add Server. You're going to want to remove this and say Libre Galaxy. Then server IP play.libregalaxy.org. And this IP is pinned on the stream. So IP play.libregalaxy.org. You would click Done, but since I already have it, I'm not going to click Done. I'm going to click Cancel, but you would click Done. Then you should see this pop up. It's going to say Libre Galaxy Community and Creativity, and it's going to have this like little logo over here. Okay? And once you get that, click on the like join. And then you're in the server. And then once you're like in the server, go to this like create NPC, and you're gonna want to like right click your mouse or your trackpad or whatever you might be on, whatever computer you're on. Right click, and then you'll like be able to like click into that, and then you're in to the server. So I hope that is helpful. But again, it is kind of listed out here how to do it. So I can put it in the chat if you'd like me to. But yep, here it is. And that is the process. Okay. So back to this. I want to make this big, but at the same time, I don't want it to be like too big, because then it means I'm going to have to scale everything else to be really big, if you think about it. So like this height is good. This height. Planet by 69420. Yeah. By the way, the reason this works is because WordDucks added all these things as players. So I fixed that sense for validation and stuff. Okay, and then planet info, and I see all the nulls. I see all this. So I'll have to like manually remove it, because you can't remove it, unless you can remove it. But yeah, that has since been fixed. If I do like planet trust, then it won't, because it says you must like enter, it must be a valid player now. Yeah, so if you want to help me out, WordDucks, please remove the random things. Because they are extremely random. Null is real. No, null is fake. Fake news. Fake news. And then, like this. How can he be trusted if he wasn't real? You know what? You're right. I don't know what I was saying. It must be real. And let's see. Let's see, stack like 30. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. I trust null. Well, you know what? Good for you. You're a very trusting person. And here we go. Wait, I forgot, like, I'm glowing. I'm literally glowing. That's why this is happening. Interesting. Okay. This is pretty cool. So, yeah, this doesn't look very good. It needs, like, depth. Or something like that. I think this needs to, like, come out or something. Like, what can I do to make this better? Because this looks way too flat. Way too flat. And actually, like, maybe like this. Yeah, that might be better. I like Alice's WordDucks. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the drawing board with this a little bit. That seems a little bit better. And then the tower, like, it's probably fine for the tower. Like, it's really stony. And I don't know if I like that, because it's like more realistic that way, almost, but also it just looks like so bland. And there should be like a staircase in here too. I think I'll place it like on the back wall. So stairs will also be cobblestone, because everything has to be cobblestone in this thing, just because it's like a castle. Oh, that's funny. This is actually the original height I was going to have it. And it kind of works. So I think this looks good, having it like this. Go up here, go up here. How would another one look? Does it link up with this? Not quite. Now that would be pretty high. But I think that actually is pretty good for height. So I'll keep it. Alright, nice. So I guess we've kind of defined some layers here. You have like this ground floor, first floor, then like pretty high up. Is somebody here? Who is this? Okay. So how does this look? Pretty high, but that's fine. Actually, really not too bad. Maybe I could do like a ring. Something. I'm heading out. See y'all. Alright, thanks for joining. Let's see what Franny Isco made. Planet by Franny Isco. Franny Isco. Here we go. Because he said he was going to build up a city. Well, it seems like this is the only thing here, so that's okay. All good. Oh, then it goes higher too, because then you need to get to the like guard post. I got in, but they said I need a Java account. How do I get that? Who was they? Okay, who is standing here? Somebody's standing here. Because if you got like Minecraft Java Edition, it shouldn't say that. Unless you're joining from Bedrock Edition. Because then that would be a bit different. Then I'll walk you through those steps. Okay. You can't use Floodgate to link a Bedrock account to a Java account without authentication. Yeah, that is true. I want to see if I can see what this person's talking about. So I'm not sharing my screen, right? Okay, I'm not. Good. Will there be other games? Will there be other games other than build or whatever this is? Yeah, so this is create. I plan on having... Basically, here's how I plan this. And I know you might not have been here for the stream, so it's okay. Here's what I'm planning. So I want players to basically have multiple planets in the future. That'll be a thing. And then planets, these planets that you build like different maps on, you'll probably build like one map per planet or something. Because we'll have a lot of planets in the future. Obviously, for now, it's just one. Then what people can do in a play server is they could go and do /server play, which again does not exist yet, but it'd be server play. And then they could basically set up a minigame using a plugin that I've made. So that's like what I'm planning for that. And basically, so like my custom plugin would let you like make a minigame, but it would work with the planet system. And I'm thinking of like, as of right now, the first minigame would be parkour, just because that's a pretty good, like, simple thing that people can make that wouldn't break too much. Ashley says, I don't think I have Java. How do I get it then? Okay. So, again, do you have Bedrock? Like, how are you opening the game? Like, are you opening it on, let's say, like an iPhone, or something like that? Are you opening the game on like Android? And like, you know, what does like the app say on it? I'm doing it on Android, okay. And it should say, like, I have an Android phone right here. So I'll tell you what it says. It should say... It should say Minecraft. Like, okay, I don't think I'm going to dox anything here. It should, let's see if I can do big screen. Okay, here we go. It should say Minecraft. Do you see that? Hopefully. You can kind of see it. I know it's blurry in this camera. And then when you open it, it should look like this. This is Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Just so you know. So this is not Java Edition. And like, well, I do have like some, like I have support to where you can join through Bedrock if you have a Java Edition account, pretty much. If that makes sense. And like a Java Edition account is like from Minecraft.net, I think. Like, they changed it. I'll show you how you can check it. So let's go Minecraft.net. Let's log in. I'm not showing this just because I'm logging in. Microsoft account. Okay, so this is like what my page looks like. So if you go to like Minecraft.net and you log in with MSA, like this is what it should say. Like if you have like Java Edition. So like you basically need to like, through Bedrock, you need to log in with a Microsoft account that has Java Edition pretty much. Yep. And then again, on the phone, how it works, I'll show you how it works. So like you click play, and it's similar to the other edition. This is a weird music. To where like basically you have like this add server button. Actually, I should really go big screen for this. And stop pushing me, please. So you would go big screen. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. I'll be right back. Okay. Okie dokie. Nerd, this is Atomicos. You want to be in VC Atomicos, or like, let me know. Let me know. Your planet is probably the most glitched planet as of right now. Oh. There you go. It's not like leak every single thing in the world. Hello, Gerald. Do. Okay, yeah, the stream's all good. Okay. Riley, what's going on? What is going on? You have a guest? Who's the guest? Gerald. Oh. Okay, that's from South Hollow, though. Riley. You know how I feel about that. That's why he's a guest. I never said he was welcomed. Oh my gosh. I guess that makes sense. Let's go stack like 20. Boom. That's a lot. I kind of like that, although at the same time it doesn't look the best. So, I'm trying to check to see that person if they're like logging in. The Ashley person. And it seems like they're logging in, but they're not signed in to Microsoft on their Minecraft. So I don't know if they're watching this, but it says in my debug thing, you've entered invalid login info. Because it seems like you've put your username to be your email. Like, that's not correct. Like, you have to log in with Microsoft, I think. That's how that works. So, like, for those who don't know, with Bedrock, it like works with like Xbox. So like, I don't know where it is on here. In settings? In settings. It's like you would go to Minecraft settings, account settings, and then like log in through that. So I don't know. Hello, Gustavo. Where is Gustavo? What's your appeal of pushing? No, honestly. Crazy. Crazy. I see Wordux is trying to log in with Bedrock. It's kind of funny. Oh, Gustavo. It's Gustavo now. Interesting. Why is Gustavo a green sheep? Bro, the geyser thing does not work. Yes, it does. Here's what you need to do. Okay, here's what you need to do. And here's why you might be frustrated with it. So, what you need to do is you have to log off of like the server if you're playing on your computer, okay? You have to log off from the server if you're playing on your computer, so you have to disconnect, okay? Then, on your phone, you add the server, pretty much. Make sure you're signed into MSA, Microsoft Secure Account, aka like your Xbox, okay? So like this would be me right here, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys, we log off, big can, okay? Play, servers, you would add Libre Galaxy to it. As you guys can see, Libre Galaxy is right here. Ooh. Actually, I can add a thing on my Linux system to where I can like screencast my phone. I'm not gonna do that now because I don't remember what the package was, but yeah, I can do that. I know I can in the future if you need it. Then you click on Join Server, okay? Now, it's gonna bring up a code for you to like log in and authenticate with. Okay, so I'd go to like aka.ms or something like that. It's like one of those things. It's basically like a Microsoft login, okay? Then you get a code. Then with the code, you punch that in to like the prompt. Then it'll authenticate you and you're logged in. However, once, like it's gonna ask for that every single time. You are already connected to the proxy. That's because I'm already on here. It's gonna ask for that code every single time. So what I can do is in my config, I can add your username. And that way you can log in without having to authenticate again. So here it is. I'm on Bedrock. But it's my Java account. So if I go and like say something in chat, like I'm gonna go and say hi. You can see that Rex text said hi. So there you go. That's how that works. So you need to be logged off on your computer and on your phone. You need to authenticate. And then if you want me to add your username to it, then I can. So you have to authenticate every time. I need to make a page to explain all this. I really do. I really do. Oh my gosh. Gustavo. Why is Gustavo slime? You can configure Floodgate to require a Bedrock account to be linked to a Java one. Okay, but you can't link the accounts. And then, like, yes, you can. It's like that is enabled. Like you can't authenticate because like the Bedrock account has to be the one to make the link once they're logged in. But the thing about that, like, okay, how it works, how I have it set up right now is so the Bedrock player logs in with the Bedrock info, okay? They're logged in with the Bedrock info. Then they authenticate using the Microsoft account that has their Java account attached to it, okay? And then because of that, it logs them in as the Java account. So there's no way that Bedrock players can join using a Bedrock only account. Although I'll be honest, like this is just so I'm in line with the policy at Microsoft and everything like that. But I don't know, I might need to change it. So I'm breaking the policy a little bit, breaking terms, just so people can join. But I don't think that's good to do, break policy. So. It is what it is. Floodgate can be made to require a Java account to still join. It makes it simpler. But I do have Floodgate on though. I don't know if I can like configure it a different way though. Like I told you how I have it configured. You know, where it's you log in. Like that's the way they suggest to do it. The way I have it is the way they suggest to do it using the documentation. So if you think of another way of doing it, let me know. Like, what am I doing wrong? I do want to see if I can install that package, hold up, for Linux, so I can do this. I forget what it is, but I think I started it on GitHub, so I can probably find it again. So let's see, I've given 46 stars various projects. So here they are. It is... I know it when I'll see it. Not PinePhone Modem SDK. Maybe I haven't actually given it a star. That could be a problem. Okay, I actually don't think I gave it a star. Let's see. I'm gonna go and Google Android display to Linux. GitHub, because I know it's a GitHub project. Screen copy, that's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm talking about. Screen copy, give it a star. It deserves a star. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So I can show it on stream. So there you go. An arch, here we go. It's already an arch. So let's not leak every single thing ever. Okay, so now I am downloading it, so hopefully I can show off my screen pretty soon, but I gotta get a USB thing to attach my phone. Unless I have it. Oh, I do have one. I don't think this one does data though. That's a problem. This one does not do data, I don't think. But let's see if I get the option to do data. I do believe this is just power. Or maybe not. Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, it's detected. Ah, here we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I need to edit some stuff in my phone. So I need to enable ADB debugging. I know how to do it on my old phone, but not this one. So let's see, about phone. I need to go and make it like a dev thing. Dev options. So Android enable dev options. Pick the build number 7 times. There we go. Re-enter your PIN. Now a developer. Oh, amazing. So then I go into okay, but where are the developer options though? Okay. USB debugging. Okay, there we go. Then, and let's go on Do Not Disturb. Hopefully it's going to make it so nothing shows. Okay. And let's see if I can get this to work. So screen copy, boom. Yo, guys. I got it. It works. And I can actually click it from this. I don't think oh my god, this is so cool. I love this. So anyways, this is me on my phone. I want this to go away. Actually, I'll keep it there. Why not? So, like I said, I don't think I can actually control it through this, can I? No, I'm already connected to the proxy. Okay. Floodgate can be made to require a Java account to join still. It just makes it simpler. But that's what I'm doing. Trains, that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. But again, let's go back. Boop. Join server. I want to see like if I can control it through this. I don't think I can. Oh, this is so weird. No. No, this is not it. Oh, this is weird. So anyways, guys, I'm playing on my I'm playing on the server, y'all. As y'all know. Oh, this is strange. This is real strange. Yeah, so anyways, Bedrock works. So what do you talk about? Trains. And of course, my Java account is already linked and everything. So that's all I wanted to show. That is pretty cool. But yeah, anyways, so what is going on here? So I guess that's kind of it for this stream. Not a lot happened. Not a lot happened. And I think this is actually going to be concluding my stream test for this week. Like, let's see. I like I said, I'm removing all the streams. Even the ones that did good, I'm removing them. Just because this was my little stream test. So let's see, I started on the 4th. Actually, no, didn't start on the 4th. Started the challenge on the 8th. So yeah, it's been a week. Full 7 days. So I don't know how to feel. The stream challenge was fun. In conclusion, but again, like I said, I'm privating all of them because, you know, they're just a test. I'll hop into VC with the Nerd, sure. I'll see what he has to say about the challenge. Let's go in the talk channel. Nerd.
Say about what?
Hmm?
What I have to say about what?
About my stream challenge.
It was a challenge?
Yeah, it was a challenge for me to stream every day for a week.
Ah.
So, actually, before we end the stream, I want to go over like what we did. So, okay. First stream was new Minecraft creative server. Actually, no. That was... No, I officially started the challenge on the 8th with the stream Let's Chat. And I didn't intend to make this a challenge. I was just like, you know what? Let's talk about various topics for a little bit. Here is the stream. Let's chat. Now, it was like a pretty bad stream. Not a pretty bad stream, actually. That was a pretty good stream. But like, in terms of the quality, it was kind of sussy. But it was really enjoyable because...
Like you...
It was pretty enjoyable because, like, I did not expect a lot of people to be in the chat. So I just kind of made it, like, a real fun. So that was a good stream. The stream after that one, I hate the way YouTube dashboard is, it's so bad, was, let's talk about my new classes. Where I was like, oh, what if I just, like, do a Let's Chat again, and then we're just talking about, like, real life stuff. And again, the quality is getting a little bit better, but nothing too great. But yeah, I would say again, in terms of like active chat, it was pretty good. And like I enjoyed this. Enjoyed this stream. And then next one, let's talk about fake Minecraft servers. This one was like not as good. Not as good. I tried to like do a bit of reaction-based content, and I just feel like it just didn't work too well. So that is something good that I've learned, that that just did not work. Did not work out, in my opinion. Although there's still some people who seem to enjoy it. Although I will say, I actually made a thumbnail for that one. That was actually like decent. So, okay, next one, let's talk about Libre Galaxy. This one, do I remember it? Was it good? Oh, here we go. Starting a screen. And this is where I coded.
Is that the one where... That's the one where I kept screaming about shinies? Or was that a different
I'm not sure. But this one is...
I think it was a different one, never mind.
This one seems like pretty good.
I know what... One of them was me screaming about shinies.
It seems pretty good with the chat. Not a whole lot. At least maybe... Well, I don't know if that's really how it was. But I will say, I think I had fun with this one. Because we're talking about minigames and stuff. So yeah, this one was actually pretty good. So I enjoyed it. We were just talking about like what the future holds. Then it was this one. The Joinable. And this one was with Vessi. This is actually one of my favorite ones, I think. Because we had so many people on the server. The chat was active. Yeah, it was just really good. This one is really good. This is probably my favorite. This stream was streamed 2 days ago. 2 days ago was Thursday. Weird. Yeah, Thursday. That was good. And then Friday too. Thursday and Friday, like really good times to stream, I think. I guess this one is pretty good. A lot of fun. And people are pretty active in the chat, being nice and stuff. So I'm glad that was a thing. And then the one yesterday, Joinable again, but this time it really wasn't about Minecraft. It was more about like, let's talk, because like John and Chanel were like, "Yo, we should chat." So of course I did. I tried to put some Minecraft in there, but it really just kind of was like, "Hey, we're all talking."
And then we're watching some like YouTube stuff too.
Yeah, it's just so then we were just talking for like a hot minute while I was playing Minecraft. So. Really, 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 really random. I think that people could have really enjoyed that stream. I think people actually did enjoy the stream. I know she enjoyed it, but like, I feel like for the viewers, like, how was that experience? I don't know if it was really that good for the viewer standpoint.
I feel like a lot of people were were complaining. It wasn't Minecraft.
Yeah, like that was the biggest thing. It wasn't the content. It was just that it wasn't Minecraft. Oh, look at this. And then we have this one, which is the current one we're streaming. Okay. So that has been the content for this. And it seems that all in all, the talking streams are good. Like where I just like have a topic and then talk. Those seem to be pretty good. Like those are ones where like I enjoy quite a lot. But it definitely seems like particular or like certain days are better than others. Like Thursday and Friday are like really good days to do it, I think. For whatever reason, I don't know. Like things could change, but Thursdays and Fridays seem to be pretty good. Saturday, today's a Saturday. This stream, I'm gonna be honest, guys, a bit dry. Like, wasn't as good. Like, I'm not feeling it today, and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because today's a weird day, or like because my sleep schedule's knocked off, and yesterday's stream was kind of weird. But like this one, I'm not feeling the stream. I'm not feeling it. It feels weird. Now, it could have also been because I've been sitting at the computer for like the entire day because I was like working on the plugin for the server, but you know. So, am I glad I did this challenge? Actually, I am, because this is the most consistent I've ever been at this channel.
It's the stream challenge.
Stream for a week challenge. I didn't mean to do this challenge, but like I streamed for like 2 days in a row, and then I was like, you know what? I should try to do it for a week. And then I did it. So there you go. This is the last stream of that challenge. So now it's like, you know, I've learned a lot. But there's a lot more to do. So I don't know what I want to do. Like, do I want to like? I want it to be convenient for me when I stream, but I also don't want it to be like stupid for other people too. Like, oh, he's gonna stream at like 4 a.m. and then he streams at like 2 p.m. and then this and that and the other thing. You know, I don't want it to be stupid for other people. So I'm trying to. I was really good about streaming at 8 p.m. CST. So that's a time that like seems to work for me. I really don't know how many streams I'm going to do in the future though, to be honest. Just because it's like, you know, it is what it is. Streaming is fun, but like, it's not always fun. It's really fun when there's like an active chat and I'm feeling it, and you know things are going well, you know, and that's something you just don't see every day. That's why I can never be a daily streamer, and I never will. I never intend to be, you know. But that's just like a fun challenge, and it was a success, which I'm pretty happy about. But what did I learn through this process? I think I learned that I enjoy talking to people when I'm streaming. Of course, I mean, that's not a surprise. I think I knew this before, but it's still true that I enjoy talking to people. It's like being in a VC and talking. I don't know about the viewers though. And I didn't really do like any advertising for my streams. Like that's one thing I just didn't do because it was always so pressed for time to meet the 8 p.m. deadline of being able to stream. So it would be in line with my schedule. My thumbnails, super duper half-assed. And like promoting it, I literally didn't even promote my stream except like in the Discord. And even at that, I didn't ping people most of the time. So it's sort of just, I don't know. I could have done things better with the stream challenge. I mean, my stream challenge was just to stream. It wasn't to like, oh, get 10 viewers, or like wasn't to this, that, the other thing. Like, no, it was just to stream for 7 days in a row, and I did it. So maybe I'll try to do another challenge sometime. Like, okay, let's get 10 viewers or something. Challenge, which, I mean, for this channel, kind of crazy because I just do not have those many viewers at once. Typically, I think the highest viewers I had, like concurrent viewers, was like 8 during one of the streams. Like 8 concurrent viewers was the highest I got. And then of course my lowest is like 0. So interesting. So yeah, I pretty much gave people like a day to like watch the stream after I streamed it, and then I'd remove it. However, some of them I have not removed because I don't want to remove them actually. Like I like them a bit too much to private them, but I have to because that's what I kind of made as my own terms. So they'll be privated. The stream will be privated, and for the outside world who never knew about these streams, who were never participants in them, they will never know they happened. And I kind of think that's cool. It's cool, but it is what it is. It is sad though that all the statistics that go along with it are gonna go away, like the chat, the likes, dislikes, the comments. It's all gonna go away when I click the private button. So, you know, but I will say I'm really happy with the streams though. Just in terms of the fact that I was able to do it consistently for 7 days, and I got some nice comments, like from the streams that I really do appreciate. Like Samuel, he was like telling me how he enjoyed the streams and like it kind of helped him relax a little bit. Like that's good. That's good. You know, at the end of the day, I want to do things kind of for other people, and you know, if streaming can help one person, which it did, even helped a little bit, help one person, that is a W in my book. That is time well spent. So there you go. So now it's just kind of going and seeing what else can I do. And it really seems like working on Libre Galaxy is something I need to continue to do to improve the server and stuff. But of course, Libre Galaxy is not something where I'm going to stress over it too much, at least. Because really, I'm trying to design it to where, like, if the server goes dead, it goes dead. I don't care. I just want to have the tech in place, the plugins in place, all the stuff in place to where it can continue to operate and work. So yeah, and so far I've achieved that. Like, it's great. I'm really happy that I launched the server, because I was thinking for a long time I shouldn't launch anything because South Hollow, you know, that wouldn't be good, but like, screw it, I did it. And it's been good. It's been good, even though it's obviously like not, you know, finished. There's a lot of stuff I need to do and improve. And even today I was just adding a command to like block people. Well, not block people, but like make your world more private. So yeah. Yep. So anything you have to say, Atomicos?
Not really.
Did you learn anything from the stream?
Which one?
Because you were a participant on a few of the streams. So did you learn anything about yourself? About the streaming world? About...
That I have the same reaction to every single shiny I find. That's what I learned about myself. And that you feel sorry for people that I play Pokemon.
Well, there you go. That's what he learned during his time.
You always apologize for me.
That is what we learned during the stream. So, yeah, this is the conclusion. This is the end of the streaming series. I don't know when I'll be back, but I did the challenge. Well, of course, like I said, I'm still going to be on the server and stuff. But, like, in terms of streaming every day, heck no. Heck no. That is not something I can do consistently. But I will say, oh my gosh, procrastination. I stopped procrastinating and I actually did my work when I was streaming. Because I was like, oh my god, I have to like do this, and then I can stream. And then I actually did it.
But procrastination is fun.
No, it's not. So that's one thing I actually learned about myself, that if I give myself something I really want to look forward to, but I have to like do my homework or like work on some stuff, I'll work on that thing. Typically. So, yeah, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later, y'all. Peace.
Yeah.